Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's Friday. It's about 9:30 a.m. It's about 27 degrees or so. It was a cold one last night, but the sun is out and the frost is melting, and we're hoping to have a good weekend. Hope the weather stays like this and dries the place out. We'll get some work done. Oh, the babies are having their lunch. They sure are happy. Yeah, it's a pretty nice day, but it's only like 36 degrees out here. Sure is pretty. They're waiting for me. Well, I gave them some table scraps. One little pig's wearing salad. Yep, they're always underneath where I'm dropping food. Yeah. Cut these strings right at the knots so I can save the string for other uses. I hear you, Harold. You're hungry, huh? Well, that didn't work very good. Chevy's cleaning up the slop bucket for me. Here you go, Petunia. I'll give you some grain in a minute. Yeah, Harold lucked out. I cracked another egg. I got 4 eggs today and I cracked one, so Harold got a special treat. Well, everybody in here is happy. Alright, that wind is very cold. Well, the lilacs are pushing out. That's good to see. Lilacs seem to like to living in this clay here, so we plan on planting a lot more because not much else wants to grow other than elm trees. Here, everybody thinks I'm going to feed them. I'm just bringing back all this buckets. I took eggs up. Plus I gotta get some hay for my goats. Hang on, Harold. What are you doing? Well, anyway, I got a flake of hay here. I'll take up to the goats because they almost have the other flake ate, which is good. You gotta get them off the bottle and you eat real food. You need a pig? Well, I need to get rid of some pigs. Got something to trade? I'm willing to trade. Too many mouths to feed. There you go, girls. Some fresh alfalfa. Well, it's 6 p.m. It's about 33 degrees. It's been cold all day long, but it's been pretty. I do want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.